So for this program, we go attempt this question wey say write one complete C program wey go show the food menu of your country, and where the list of menu go request choice from the user, and the program go ask the amount of quantity where the user want. Then the program will calculate and display the total price. So we dey start, and we go start with the common setting wey go guide us for our code. Say hash include iOS string using namespace std int main return 0. So now our normal setting be this, we go guide us for our work. So quickly we go write our title. Maybe our title go be Nigeria soup menu. So we want construct list of menu for Nigerian soup. So we say see out Nigerian soup menu. Okay, we design them with small asterisks 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 for the two side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we check and we see as it be, because na design with the design. Anytime with the design, we need to check our work to see whether it show fine. So this one better like this. Okay, so the next thing we go follow now, we go write the number list of the soup that we want display for our menu. So see out number 1, we'll say we'll consider plate of pepper soup, plate of pepper soup. Okay, so we go copy and paste this one for other lines so that it go fast small. Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Okay, so this one are the first list, the second one, the third, and the fourth. So if the first one are plate of pepper soup, which most say the price go be 700 naira. Okay, and the other one are plate of banga. More use banga soup. So plate of banga soup for my environment, you know, too the expensive. So plate of banga soup, more say na 300 naira. 300 naira. Okay, the next one more say egusi soup. So egusi soup. Okay, for egusi soup, which price we give our egusi soup? More say 500 naira. 500 naira. Okay, the another soup, we get pepper soup here, we get banga soup, we get egusi soup. Okay, the next soup more call am okra soup. Okay, okra soup, more just put on for 200 naira. So we don't successfully write the list. We no forget with our line, our end line. So we run am as it be. So we say we get plate of pepper soup 700 naira, plate of banga soup 300 naira, plate of egusi soup 500 naira, and plate of okra soup 200 naira. So wetin be the next thing? The next thing now na to introduce our switch command. So in order to introduce our switch command, we need to create blink. Just as I talked before, say in order to create blink, we need our cin command. So more say cout, or go use this one, create blink. So more say select your favorite soup number for here. Select your favorite soup number. Okay, we'll select our favorite soup number for here, and we be cin. We go create our blink just as I talked before. So we'll say this x we will write for here, it go read these numbers. So automatically it means the x na integer. So we no forget to define anything we say we use. So we'll say integer x, we close them. So we'll run them, see, we'll see whether it go as we plan now. So we see the blink, see the work of the blink. If we put 1 here, if we clean them, if we put 2, if we put 3, if we put 4. So any option we say we want select, now the blink now go allow us to input our number. So now we go introduce our switch command. We go switch between those options. So we go say switch. We go say switch. We want switch the x. That is, the x represent this number, just as I say the number now integer. So for switch we dey use case, and the case go switch anything we want switch for here. If it be alphabet, if na alphabet, now be say wetin we get our blink go be like. If it be character, it go be character. And if na number we want switch, like 1 2 3, then the case go take 1, then we put our colon. So for here, if we, in case the person select 1 for here, in case the person select 1 for here, the next question we go come up now. If we ask the person, say, now, how many plates of pepper soup you need or you want? So we go ask the person how many plates of pepper soup we want, and for question like this we need another blink. So the other blink will show number of plates where the person wants, and the number will be integer. So we'll introduce another variable, we go accept the integer, and we bring it automatically to this place, say y. All right, okay. So after we don't choose the y, we will represent the quantity of amount, or the quantity of item where the person wants. The next thing now, we need bill. So we'll say bill equal to the bill of our item, now the quantity times the item. So which item we get for here? We get pepper soup. So now we need to define our pepper soup. So I would like to copy everything just as it be for here, and I go use constant integer. So pepper, for our pepper soup, the price now 700. Okay, the next thing we follow now, we'll copy this one and paste them for multiple line. So the next thing we follow our pepper soup now, banga soup. Okay, how much be our banga soup? Our banga soup now 300 naira. 300 naira. Okay, the next thing, the next two things we follow now, the next thing is egusi soup. So egusi soup. Our egusi soup now how much? 500 naira. And our okra soup now how much? 200 naira. Okay, so now we will just use our item directly. We'll copy this pepper soup corn here because we don't assign it to 700. So we'll put on here. Then we close the statement. So then for every case, for the ending of every case, we need to apply break with colon. So we don't finish with this first case. So what time we'll do be saying, since now for list with the go. Okay, before we copy and paste the other cases, I want to introduce our default. So our default, waiting our default day after now, in case the user no select one of the available option, then it go show out warning consign. So our if we say abeg select one of the option, beg select one of the option with the between 1 to 4. So I for like more runner more see waiting the default they do before we continue. So more runner more see if any mistake no dey. So bill. Okay, one other thing we'll forget here, we need to define our bill. Int, since our bill now integer, we give an integer definition. If we say more assign our bill to 1 because the multiplication we go use for bill. So we run them again and see if it go. So we see the work of the default be say we get 1, 2, 3, 4. If the person go enter like 5 or 6 we know they inside this option, then the default waiting inside the default will pop up. So we see the default saying abeg select one of the option between 1 to 4. So now the work of our default be that. And okay, we don't write our default. So these cases, now don't forget, so we get 4 cases. So we'll copy the cases and change the insignificance so that you go do very fast. Okay, this one now first one case 1, second one case 2, case 3, case 4. So for case 1 we talk about pepper soup. For case 2 we'll talk about banga soup. So we'll come here, we'll copy our banga soup will be 300. Since we already assigned them to 300, so it would be easy for us to copy banga soup. So for here we'll put our banga soup. Again the question goes, now how many plates of banga soup you want? So then the bill will follow up. So the next one egusi soup. So for egusi soup the question will ask now how many plates of egusi soup you want. So then the bill go take and calculate them again. Then the last one okra soup. Una start the copy and directly just as it be for here. If you no copy and like that, if you no work well. So for here we put our okra soup, and again the question go ask now how many plate of okra soup you want. So after all this option, then after we don't get our bill, then we need the total price just as the question require us. So I go say see out total price, now say total price equal to the bill will be say the bill we will get for each of the case. So and we go get them for our money our bill will be for naira. So things say it almost finish. So more run and see whether it go as we planner. We run now. Okay, so let's say for instance select your favorite soup number. If I select number 1 and I click enter, the next thing now, how many plates of pepper soup you want. So let's say I want 2 plates of pepper soup. 2 times 700 will be 1,400. Then we'll check the bill. The bill will be total price now 1,400 naira. So well, the comma add 1 line space between this option then. 1 line space. 1 line space. Okay, even this one safe might add 1 line space, but okay, more run them again. See. So select your favorite soup number. Most I select number 2. I want plate of banga soup will be 300. I want then the next question will be now how many plates of banga soup you want. Most say I want 3 plates of banga soup. 3 times 300 will be 900. So the total price now 900. So again, most say I want more on them again. So that we will try everything. So most say I go for the 4th one so that we not go waste too much of our time. Or more check the 3rd one. Then we enter. How many plates we need? Most say we need 5 plates. 5 plates. Then we enter. So 5 times 500 will be 2,500. So we run them again for the last one, and we end this lesson for here. So the 4th one, we go now how many plates of okra soup you need. If I say I need 4 plates, 4 times 200, it will be 800. So